Hey up YouTube. So finally got this done, finally got my new solar panel plugged in 3 months after starting this job. When I originally put the solar charger in, it was quite clear that the cable on the actual solar panel itself was nowhere near long enough than I needed to be. It was only about 1 metre long, so we need an extension. Obviously the solar panel's got a stand on it. The idea being is it's outside the van, it's portable, obviously connected back to the charge controller to the battery, but to move it around the van, point it at the sun, re-angle it at the sun just by hand as and when we need to, depending on what time of day it is, things like that. So we finally got that done, finally got the extension cable in, which to be fair did arrive in October, but just not got around to doing this job, obviously off work at Christmas. So I've been able to get this done now, which is really good. We've now got it's only 20 watts, but we've now got some charging capability back into the battery, which in summer on good days, you know, should be enough just to keep us topped up to the level that we need to be. You'll notice I've not published a video for a while, not been doing much YouTube, been off with doing other things, but I'm going to change in 2022. I'm going to change the focus of the channel, so there'll not be so much build stuff going on, purely because there's not really left to build. I am toying with the idea of putting a split charger in to supplement the solar panel, but I don't know, it seems like a lot of work for what I'd realistically need it for, but it would be handy to have. So weighing that up, it's not an expensive modification, it's just a bit of a seats out. I've still got my lower half and my bulkhead in, we need to route through that, so yeah, maybe just needs a bit more thought. Exterior modifications, still thinking about some Bilstein B14s. I'm still not happy with the suspension. I've done 2 suspension upgrades on this van already, still not quite happy with it. So I probably will go down that route second half of this year when I can afford it. Probably what I should have done in the first place, but you live and learn. I've never done a van before, so I've never modified a van before, so yeah, lesson learned on that one. Yeah, so apart from that, it's been me out and about a bit. I'm going to try and get some stealths in, one night stealth camps, that kind of thing, probably starting in January. Working with the on a theory around heating without having a diesel heater. I know diesel heaters are cheap and get them installed for, you know, not too expensive these days. Might do that, but I'm sort of toying with the idea of sort of oil radiators, electric fan heaters, things like that. I'm going to order a 2000 watt inverter probably after Christmas in January sometime. Probably get out for a stealth camp just locally back end of January, mid-January, back end of January. I really want to test my insulation out. I've got my blackout curtains, maybe get some foil screens for the windows and stuff. Got my bulkhead curtain. Seems to work quite well. Lowest I've camped out in the van is about 9-10 degrees overnight. Perfectly fine, so I'm keen to take it a bit lower, see what we can do, and that's with no heater. So yeah, excited about that. So it'll be out and about next year. So if you want to see more of that, please subscribe. It'd be awesome if you did. I'm going to try and be a bit more consistent with my content and hopefully do some interesting stuff. So thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Tune in next year. Cheers.